Hello out there, my name is Brandon and I'm going to show you how to get a motorcycle tire off the wheel at home with no power tools, redneck style. This is the wheel in question. I cut it down the middle and I went to buy a bead breaker and I started looking at it and I decided that I can make a better bead breaker for free here at my house. This is how it works. I'd say that was a success. It took me 1 minute to break 2 beads. Now I'll show you how simple this rig is. And you can just tuck it away for easy storage. Redneck style. Now let's get the tire off the rim. Remember kids, always wear safety protection. This step right here is hazardous. Put your gloves on. Save yourself your fingers. These are my welding gloves, but they'll do. These tools should be in every man's toolbox, and even some women. Good tool to have laying around. There you have it. Redneck man's way of taking a tire off the rim on a motorcycle. Specifically, 95 Virago 1100. But I think those are 750 wheels. They're both the same. Makes no difference to me.